Hi everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and today I'm going to show you how to share a Google document with a non-Google user. It can be a little bit difficult to find this feature at first, but once you find it, it's pretty simple to use and it definitely saves you a lot of time. So I hope it helps and enjoy. Okay, so here I am in Google Docs. I actually have a Google spreadsheet open right now, and I want to share this document with somebody who does not use Google. Now your first inclination is going to be to go up here to the top right and click on the Share button. Makes sense, right? You want to share it. However, when you click on this button, you only get the option to share it with other Google users, to add them as collaborators, or to share it as a link, and in order to do that, you have to make the document public, which you probably don't want to do. So instead of using this share button up here at the top right, I'm just going to go ahead and click out of this box. We need to access a different sharing feature, and there's a couple of ways of doing that, but the easiest way of doing it when you have a document open is to go right up here to the File menu, and you're going to go all the way down to this option that says Email as Attachment. And before I click on that, I also want to show you that if you're in your Google Docs list, so here are my list of documents, here's the document I have open right now. If I wanted to share this document with a non-Google user from this screen, I can go ahead and right-click on it, mouse over Share, and then I can click the Email as Attachment link from this screen. They'll both take you to the same place, so you can use whichever one you want. I'm going to go back to the document and do it from here, since I think that's where most of you might be starting. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Email as Attachment from the File menu. And when I do that, I get this box that pops up, and you'll see it looks quite a bit different from the Share box that popped up when we clicked on the Share button. In this box, my first option is to choose the format that I want to email this Google document. So because I have a spreadsheet document open right now, I don't have quite as many options as I would if I had a normal word processing document open. You can see I can send it as Microsoft Excel, which is probably going to be the choice that most people are going to choose from this menu. I could also send it as OpenOffice or PDF. If I were sending a normal word processing document, I would also have the option of sending that as an HTML file or a rich text file. However, for this example, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Microsoft Excel. Then I get to go ahead and enter the email address that I want to send it to. I'm going to send this to myself just so you can see what it looks like. Obviously, I am a Google user, so I probably wouldn't need to do this, but I'm going to do it for this example. The subject by default is going to be the name of the document. You can change that if you want, so I could just say spreadsheet. And then you can go ahead and enter a message. Remember that Google Docs does not take your Gmail signature, so even if you have an automatic signature set up in Gmail, it's not going to appear on a message that you send out of Google Docs, so you're going to have to go ahead and add a signature while you're actually sending this document. So I could just say here is the document I said I would send, and then I could go ahead and add a signature, Anson Alexander from AnsonAlex.com. And then if you want, you can also send a copy yourself. Once you've finished with this screen, you can go ahead and hit the Send button. And if I go to my email here, go to Gmail, it should already be in here. And there it is. So you can see here is a spreadsheet, and I actually don't believe I have Microsoft Office on this computer. I use Google Docs 100%, but you see that I have the option to open it as a spreadsheet, view it, but it's in an XLS file, and I could download it, and then I could open it up in Microsoft Excel. If you were using a regular Google word processing document and you were sharing that as an attachment, you would be able to open that up in Microsoft Word. So I hope it helps. That's all I really have for you today. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate a like, and if you want to see more tech updates, Google Docs updates, I have a whole bunch of Google Docs overview tutorials already published, but go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I publish a few videos a week, so I hope it helps, and again, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com.